Most people walk into a room and no one notices. No heads turn, no energy shifts. It's like they're invisible. Then there's that one person who doesn't say a word, doesn't even try, and somehow everyone feels them. They command respect without asking for it. No bragging, no flexing, no chasing attention. And here's the secret. You can become that person. Today, I'm going to show you how. Step 1, own your silence. Silence is power. Most people are terrified of it. They fill the air with pointless words, nervous laughter, and ums because they can't handle stillness. But the one who is comfortable in silence, that's the one who holds the room. When you walk in, don't rush to talk. Don't force small talk. Just observe. Move slowly. Listen more than you speak. People respect the one who doesn't need to fight for attention because real power never chases, it attracts. Step 2, master your posture. Before you say a single word, your body is already speaking for you. Most people shrink themselves, shoulders slouched, arms crossed, nervously fidgeting like they're waiting to be dismissed. But the person everyone respects, they own their space. Shoulders back, chest open, chin slightly up, movements slow and deliberate. You're not stiff, you're grounded. You move like you belong, even in a room full of strangers. And here's the thing, confidence is contagious. The moment you look like you respect yourself, other people will too. Step 3, master the art of slow reactions. Weak people react instantly. Strong people take their time. If someone says something to you, don't jump to answer. Pause. Let there be a moment of quiet. This pause does 2 things. It shows you're not desperate to please. It makes people lean in and pay attention. Even your facial expressions should be calm. No over-smiling, no flinching, no twitching. You're not robotic. You're composed. Because when you control your reactions, you control the room. Step 4, dress like you respect yourself. Listen, you don't need a $5,000 suit, but your appearance should say, I take myself seriously. Clean, fitted, simple. You don't want your clothes to scream for attention. They should quietly signal self-respect. When you look sharp, people treat you sharp. Before you even speak, they already assume you're someone worth listening to. Step 5, carry quiet discipline everywhere. People can feel your habits. If your life is messy, your energy will be messy too. But if you've been putting in the work, waking up early, training consistently, staying focused, that calm confidence leaks out of you. You don't need to brag about your discipline. People just sense it. It's in how you walk, how you sit, how you look at them without fear. Step 6, move like your time is valuable. Here's a cheat code for respect. Stop moving like you have nothing better to do. If you're always rushing to help, always first to react, always available, you look like you have no priorities. But if you move with calm purpose, like you've got things to handle, people naturally treat your time as valuable. Scarcity creates value, and respect follows value. Step 7, let your energy speak louder than your words. When people meet you, they're not just hearing your words, they're feeling your energy. If you're nervous, if you're desperate, if you're seeking approval, it's obvious. But when you walk in with quiet confidence, when you radiate self-respect, you don't need to demand attention. People just give it to you. So here's the truth. Respect is not earned by talking more. It's earned by being more. Walk in calm. Move slow. Own your silence. Control your reactions. Live with quiet discipline. Do that, and people will notice you long before you ever say a word.